Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make whipped cream from milk. Many believe you need heavy cream, but with a clever trick, you can achieve a similar delightful topping using just whole milk and butter. This method is perfect when you are out of heavy cream or simply want to try something new. We will guide you through each step to ensure a light and airy result for your desserts, making your treats extra special. First, combine 1 cup of whole milk with 1/4 cup of unsalted butter in a saucepan. Warm it gently until the butter fully melts, but do not boil. Next, transfer this mixture to a high-speed blender. Blend on the highest setting for approximately 5 minutes. This crucial step emulsifies the ingredients, transforming them into a thick, cream-like liquid, ready for chilling. Once your cream base is ready, pour it into a bowl and cover it with plastic wrap, ensuring the wrap touches the surface. Refrigerate for a minimum of 4 hours, or ideally, overnight, until it is very cold. Before whipping, chill your mixing bowl and beaters in the freezer for about 15 minutes. Then, using an electric mixer, whip the cold cream on high speed for 3 to 5 minutes until it reaches your desired fluffy consistency. To enhance the flavor, gently fold in 2 tablespoons of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract once your cream has reached soft peaks. Continue whipping for another 30 seconds to ensure everything is well combined and smooth. This homemade whipped cream is best enjoyed immediately. It offers a delightful, airy texture perfect for topping pies, fruits, or any dessert. Enjoy your freshly made treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.